Well, morning. Saturday morning, March 29th at about 8:30 in the a.m. Hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I've been over next door pulling this out of the ceiling, getting all the frame and brackets out for my aquaponics lights. And that was such fun. I love sitting on top of a ladder going like this. But hey, it's done. Got a couple of holes to patch in the ceiling because some of those nails came out the hard way. But hey, it is what it is. Kind of knew that was going to happen when I did put them up there. I wasn't planning on having to take them down anytime soon, but crap happens. That's okay. Life goes on. Let's see. Yeah, I got that. Got those out, and I've got to get in there and vacuum the windows. I didn't realize I had so much stuff growing in my window. Uh, Plants. I, all my aquaponics setups were up against the wall near the window so I could get some natural light to my plants. And then shop lights dangling down over the top of them, which give them extra light. Problem is it kept me away from the wall, so I didn't get around to the wall very often. Now I've got to the wall, and yeah, it needs a lot of extra cleaning. There's even some spot that needs some sheetrock work because of moisture getting on it on a regular basis. Humidity's not good when it gets on into sheetrock. So there's a couple of places I got to patch. Oh, yay. It is what it is. But that's okay. Let's see. Came home after hitting the grocery store. Well, not the grocery store, but my grocery store has a gas station in front of it. And I went there to take and do that because, well, I got down, the light came on, and, well, let's see. I was sitting, by the time I got over to the gas station, I was sitting, come on, where's that? I don't know how well it shows up. 141, 840, or 148, 841. It's probably backwards on the screen. Yeah, it is. You know, I really should find the setting for that. I know there is one in there. This is doing the mirror thing instead of showing it the way. Yeah, right hand. Okay, it is right hand. I don't know. I'm tired. I really need to go to sleep. But I got more project over there I'm going to try to get done. And while I'm doing that, before I go and do that, I'm going to try to put some more food in and, yeah, let it cook while I'm doing that. Kind of like that air fryer. I can kind of set it and forget it and come back to it when it goes ding. It's kind of a good thing. But yeah, uh, I hit one of those 148, 841 miles. I forget what they call it, but yeah, it's the same backwards as forwards. And this is getting me real close to 150,000 on my car. I don't know if I'll actually hit it. I've got like, I'm getting about 300 miles to the tank, a little over. And I just barely doing 400 here lately. After doing all that extra running around last year, I really have got to the point I'm not doing a lot of extra running around, trying to keep the mileage low. So, yeah, I'm hoping that I actually can sell my car before I hit 150,000, which means I have about 1,100 miles to go, which is, if I can do it right, gives me 3 months, and then I can sell my car. And uh, yeah, we'll see. I'm probably going to end up over 150,000, but just barely. I definitely won't bust 151. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to get that figured out in there, and I need to do a bunch more vacuuming to get all the dust up, swap the bag again, because, well, I need to get all that junk out of there. Seriously, I did not know how much damn dirt a floor carpet could hold on the floor. Yeah, if you ever walk across your floor when it's brand new and you remember how soft and bouncy it was, yeah. If it isn't soft and bouncy, you probably got about an inch of dirt under that thing. You just don't know it yet. Just saying. It is what it is. Uh, Maybe not an inch, but half inch, maybe good quarter inch easy. I didn't realize it until I started pulling that out. And yeah, I left a dust trail all the way through the house. Anyway, got that going, and from a friend. I always try to remember friends, and that's something to remember one by. Yeah, life happens. Oh, I really don't want to get up and go do this. I've got a severe case of I didn't wanna. I don't want to get up and go. Get up, go, got up and went, and yeah, I'm going in there though. I'm going to play adult. I'm going to, because I choose to, even though I really just want to curl up and go to sleep. My inner child really does just want to go to sleep because it's that time of the day. It is what it is. Was talking with somebody about the Philippines, and they were, why would you want to go to some third world country? Yeah. Well, I looked at him and said, well, if you want to go see a city as big as New York, go to Manila, BGC, and all that right there in that area, and see what, third world it is. Yeah. Excuse me. Some days I really don't like it when people aren't informed because they don't want to go learn something. But I'm supposed to be nice to guests, so I can't just run them over with their stupidity for the fun of it. Why do I have to be social when I really don't want to just because I'm at a job? It is what it is. But I do try to be at least peaceable and not just yell at people because they annoy me. Oh God, I'd have a horror. I wouldn't have a voice if that happened because a lot of people are annoying. But hey, then sometimes you run across one that just brightens your day. Had a gal last night, and had a fun conversation with her. Joked the whole time I was checking her in, got her checked in, and yeah. She said she appreciated my sense of humor, or she liked it at least. So, yeah, why do people choose to be so negative? I don't get it, but some do. And it's nice to run across one that isn't negative, and that's a blessing. Anyway, I'm going to get this done and posted. I don't know about you, but I got plans for my weekend. Getting more done so that I can get more done so that eventually I can get done. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. I hope you've had a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. You know that bit. And a lot more food. Anyway, I'm Fish. Later blessings. Bye bye. Guess what? Fish is out.